Our tradition is every year getting the grandkids together and making cookies for the neighbors, and then we go out and hand out the holiday cookies, wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Jolie is fit right into our family just like one of our children, and it's neat to see her experience things that she never has before. For us, sharing our traditions with someone from another country has been a blessing to us. My wife and I haven't had kids in the house for close to 20 years, and we had not expected to do this, but the opportunity opened up, and it has been nothing but fun. Together, let's go. My name is Robert Booley. We live in Arkansas, and we are hosting Jolie this year.
Thank you.